AP Chemistry, Unit 5.11 Catalysis. A catalyst is going to be a material that is used to speed up a chemical reaction, but is not consumed by the reaction. Catalysts can work in one of two ways. The first way is to alter the rate of the reaction by changing the number of effective collisions. And the other way that catalysts can work is they can alter the chemical pathway by changing the activation energy required to one that is less energy intensive. Particularly, this is effective for the rate determining step. There are a couple of types of catalysts. There are homogeneous catalysts, which are going to be within the same phase as the reactants and can mix with them uniformly. So a solid catalyst and a solid reactant set. There are heterogeneous catalysts, which are going to be in a different phase from the reacting particles, such as if we had a solid catalyst and a gaseous reactant. And then we also have enzymatic catalysts, which are going to speed up the reaction by binding with one or more of the reactants, either creating a more favorable orientation for those molecules to react with, or by lowering the overall energy required to react.